Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Earn with me. So it is 1 p.m. in the night, so I am making videos so that you would be profitable guys. I just want everyone to be profited. Everyone are equal guys. So the new loot video is Posey on tour, selfies around the world. So you just need to make a selfie and edit it with Posey pictures in it, okay? So I'd be showing you for example. So there are 39 members guys, so I think it would be 1000 or 2000 members by tomorrow morning. So firstly you need to decorate your photo like this, so you can use any canvas or something. So he has used Canva is a site online, okay? So you just try guys, because the grand prize is $1000 in Posey. $1000 means not a joke guys. Second place is $500, third place is $200. Because no one are participating, there is a higher chance of getting guys. So firstly you need to make a selfie, decorate photos with Posey, send us 2 photos in this Telegram channel, include your wallet address in this, okay? After this let us go to Trust Wallet guys, okay? I would be showing you my price, everything and all. So I have shifted everything into Binance Smart Chain actually. So I would be sending some of my money. So as you can see, I hold baby cake so much guys. So let us also do something unique guys. So today I am going to stake cake tokens guys, okay? So how to stake cake tokens in PancakeSwap, I will be showing you within a minute. So I would be just sending the transaction. So after this guys, so go to PancakeSwap, okay? In PancakeSwap, how to earn passive income by staking cake, I would be showing you, okay? As you can see, liquidity, I have already staked Posey, so you would be seeing this, okay? So go to farms, okay? Earn, click on earn in the bottom, go to farms. There will be many farms, okay? So these are BUSD, BNB and something. These are all what do you say, these are like Posey, okay? So you can see pools. This is nothing but you can earn profit easily. This is the main thing guys. Auto cake. So how can we earn auto cake? So as you can see, just by holding it in my bounty we can earn, okay? So 75% is the APY. So click on enable. So I just hold at least 200 rupees of cake, okay? So we have approved it guys. So you need to enable the pool afterwards. So let's wait until the option comes, okay? You can click on stake and maximize, okay? So after maximizing, you can also see that the APY is 75%. So if you want to stake it and leave it, you can earn better guys, because I would be just taking this only. So for confirmation I would be making a video after 1 week also. Click on approve, authenticate, okay? It would be confirming. Let it confirm. Please do it if you can, what do you say, hold it for months or years guys, okay? Because every 5 minutes the profit would be restaked. Every time it would be restaked. So you can earn passive income by baby cake also, because baby cake will be sending you uh, cake tokens every 100 minutes you hold it, okay? But it should be more than 2 lakh tokens, okay? You need to hold more than 2 lakh tokens to get cake tokens, okay? You would be getting cake tokens every month guys, every 1.5 hour. So if you like the video, please like the video, share, subscribe guys. Thank you.